AR SPAC 205. So it's AR SPAC 205 on this one. Alright, so LiDAR is LEGO essentially. There it's just laser, infrared. It's basically LEGO by a different standpoint of the visual optics. So when we get to 205, right before the question, everything left over of it finished, hit the page. Now, from here, LiDAR detection in SPAC, if you're going to have the relationship to certain indexes, go to the Goldman Sachs, I think is what it was when she brought up multiple indexes off of the SA version of which is the most optimal path on the game theory of the field. Here we're going to be talking about that in the mortuary minds here. You know, we're not, this is a quagmire, it certainly can be at least, against that system. And so I would give, I'm not quite so familiar. Again, I'm going more LIGO as far as what detects an XY bracket, because the distance of this one here, a pressure wave bends this wave. When you put that on the 45 over here and you shoot it down, it's gonna keyhole somebody's ability to shoulder it in YZ physics, equine, right? And so that's the containment of the bullet in the thing, because otherwise the whole timeline on Thaumialistic, how did you get the bullets, what's your inventory, how did the whole thing kind of, I need to know these things. It's a difference between whether you're alive or dead right now. And the car would do that physics, and you program the SAW tutorial to be autonomous. It's to say it's programmed in such a way where all I have to do is certain taps instead of programming every program every single time I want to save the file. And that save file is an autonomous program of adjusting the manual details of finer details. Instead of allowing it to AI program to do these steps, it will. It's going to anyways. But while it's doing that, I'm using a little bit